Hey everyone! Today let's dive into something that impacts us every day, but often goes unnoticed, the water in our homes. Yes, I'm talking about the silent battle between hard water and soft water. What's the difference? And why should you even care? Let's find out! First up, hard water. Hard water is water that contains high amounts of minerals like calcium and magnesium. Ever noticed a white scale buildup on your faucets or shower heads? That's hard water at work. It can also make your soaps and detergents less effective, meaning you might end up using more than necessary. And if you're not careful, it can lead to pesky plumbing problems over time. Now let's talk about soft water. Soft water is kinder on your appliances and can actually extend their lifespan by preventing mineral buildup inside them. It's also great for your skin and hair, leaving them feeling softer and smoother after a shower. Plus, you'll likely use less soap and shampoo compared to hard water. Sounds pretty good, right? But how do you know what type of water you have? Well, it's pretty simple. If soap lathers easily and your dishes come out spotless, you probably have soft water. But if you're seeing spots on glasses and clothes, it might be time to test for hard water. If you do have hard water, don't worry. Water softening solutions range from magnetic descalers to ion exchange softeners, each with its pros and cons. It's all about finding what works best for your home and budget. So there you have it, the lowdown on hard versus soft water. Whether you're dealing with hard water headaches or enjoying the benefits of soft water, knowing more about what flows from your taps can make a huge difference in your daily life and long-term maintenance costs. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check your water.